Want to elevate your home's curb appeal? Window World of West Michigan installs custom modern entry doors and beautiful patio doors in Grand Rapids, Michigan, for bold, sleek, and energy-efficient front door upgrades. We believe your doors should make a statement while adding curb appeal, energy efficiency and strength. Our doors do all that and more at a guaranteed low price. Choose from bold color palettes, striking glass shapes, and unique texture finishes. Each modern door is engineered to resist warping, denting, and fading. Window World of West Michigan is nationally known but locally owned. This allows for massive buying power that delivers everyday low pricing to homeowners, along with the local knowledge and experience needed to deliver the right products and installation methods for West Michigan's harsh weather. Planning and update? Our modern entry and patio door replacement service in Grand Rapids, Michigan, makes it easy to upgrade without disruption, offering dependable results with modern charm. Backed by Window World's limited, lifetime warranty and professionally installed by our team, your new doors will look and operate beautifully for years and years to come.